Hello guys, welcome back to my channel.
Oh yeah.
Majnu Katila.
I've never been there for some reason.
It's far.
Oh, it's very far. Okie dokie, time for another vlog. We thought of going out somewhere nice, but we ended up going to Majnu Katila. No, I'm kidding. It is a nice place and it does lives up to its reputation. I've never been there for some reason, even after being in Delhi for all my life. We had a couple of things in our bucket list to do in Majnu Katila. To say, one was to try the famous laughing. There is a regular one and there is a YY one. The YY one is supposed to be crispier, but to be honest, I found the regular laughing better than the YY one. Although YY separately I love.
How's it?
That one better, but it's not nice. If somebody had to sum up what Majnu Katila is, it could be on one side that you have branded first copies of shoes, and on the other side you have northeastern Korean Tibetan cuisine and really amazing street shopping as well. Yeah, यही कह रहा था ना आपको ऐसा अलग से. I love ऐसे वाले
I know,
कुर्ते.
that's why I was showing you. It's nice.
Tote bag. I like tote bags. Tibet. Sorry. So the Galia basically is like Chandni Chowk ki Galia, but much more well looked after. I won't say posh, but yeah, not as congested as Chandni Chowk.
I've not been to Chandni Chowk, so but then it's nice.
The second thing on our bucket list was to try some Korean cuisine, and we ventured around Majnu Katila finding any restaurant which would serve us Korean cuisine, and we jumped on the first restaurant that we could find. Perks of coming on a Monday.
It's empty.
I was personally looking forward for the barbecue experience, but given it was just two of us, it would be plenty for us and we would end up wasting a lot of food. So we decided to go a la carte.
Veg तो कभी नहीं खाई है.
Golden fried prawns?
Oh yeah, vegetarian.
So guys, वहाँ पे you can press it and somebody will come. रूम बंद कर दिया है. अगर आप अपने गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ आओगे तो आप हैंकी पैंकी शायद कर सकते हो. नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते. ऊपर कैमरा लगा है तो नेक्स्ट दिन आप वायरल हो जाओगे. Chopsticks are very fancy. Oh my god, अब एक यहाँ पे. So basically this has a capacity of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people. But क्योंकि हम Monday evening को आए हैं, because we have no life, I'm sure you guys have. तो हमें they made an exception. They said, okay, you can have the PDR, but if you come, otherwise just 2 of you or 3, they might not let you get into the PDR because these are usually reserved for bigger group or family. If you're lucky, you're lucky. If you're not, don't blame me. Soju, guys. कितना प्यारा नाम है for alcohol, हाँ? Soju.
Soju.
और ऐसा वो किया है कि इसे पानी दे रहे हैं. It's fucking alcohol, guys.
It's not flavored, right?
Yeah.
Though I have a drink for me.
I have a shot of this.
Oh, it's a shot?
I think I have no idea. I'm so insensitive towards culture, I guess.
Just cheers.
Yeah.
How the taste?
Shot.
Is it like vodka?
It is like vodka, but better than vodka. Let me see alcohol percentage. It's quite strong. I'm just gonna finish it. That's it. I'll take this home. और लोगों को बोलूँगा देखो मैं आपके लिए सोजू लेके आया हूँ, जस्ट बिकॉज आई डोंट लाइक दैट मामा. Also pickles for the ramen.
No, it's with soju. It's your chakna.
नहीं नहीं,
Yes, I saw in the video.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
Yeah.
ये चखना है? तो फिर
This is kimchi.
that is kimchi.
Maybe it's for red. I don't know, I'm just saying.
I don't know, guys. If you guys have any knowledge about Korean cuisine, please enlighten us in the comments. Don't message me. उससे कोई फायदा नहीं है मेरा उससे. पहले ये खाता हूँ. Yeah.
I'm just trying my luck.
अरे.
And the menu is so big.
Let's dig in.
It's nice.
So that's of course Maggi noodles. I don't know. It's just what this. We have chicken. अभी एक अंडा फोड़ा था मैंने, पता नहीं कहाँ गया.
मैंने खा लिया.
Okay. Bye.
क्या?
Bye. Eating the chop.
Eating.
तभी ये लोग ज़्यादा नहीं खाते हैं guys. थक जाते हैं चॉपस्टिक से खा खा. Item number 2. Sticky rice. Sesame seeds on top. कोई ना कोई sizzler तो है ये. This is chicken. You can have it in buff. You can have vegetables as well. ये कढ़ाई है.
We have one more place to go.
We have ramaged everything. Finished. It's time for the bill. Ta-da. Good job, Korea. South Korea.
Want the spicy this one?
What's that, bhai? You can take that. Which one? This one or this one?
We had this one.
And finally, we are at our third destination in our bucket list, Ama Cafe. बहुत सुना इस कैफे के बारे में, so we just thought we'll finally give it a shot. Again, it is a very famous place, and usually on the list of people who ever tell you to visit Majnu Ka Tilla, they would usually recommend this cafe. So we had our fingers crossed how this cafe would turn out to be. It was not that busy, but if you go on weekends, you might have to wait for a table. Although it's a very big cafe, like 3 floors big, we got the 4th floor. Wait, that doesn't make sense. But anyway, we got the 4th floor and 4th table on the 4th floor. It was quite a walk. Finally. हो गया मेरा कार्डियो. Thank you so much. The latte, and we have cafe mocha. Great. Let's see this over. कितने मेहनत से बनाया होगा बेचारे ने, देखो. That's why I really never care about presentation. Right? लोग कहते हैं कि आप आंखों से भी खाते हो. झूठे होते हैं जो कहते हैं. क्या बोल रहे हो?
Very nice.
Very nice. Is it the ice latte is better or that one?
You want to try?
Yeah, I'll try. I find the ice latte to be better.